Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zilliqa continues its bullish momentum, and guess what guys, it looks like our next target level has pretty much been hit. I mean, obviously we are a few percentages away from the 23 cent area. Let's say we're about 4% away from that target area, so it hasn't fully been hit. Let me just go on the 1 day time frame just to show you guys exactly what has occurred. So as you guys can see, we saw a massive move to the upside. We reject, and this is another reason why you never do your take profits at these psychological levels. You do it just underneath. And as you guys can see, we're inches within this 23 cent area, and then of course it's starting to pull back. Now, so far for the day, Zilliqa is up 30%, over 30%, and it's currently at 18, let's just call it 19 cents per coin, and it's now ranked 55th on coin market cap. This coin is leading the way when it comes to percentage gains in the crypto market, and it doesn't look like that trend is going to continue. But I, of course, have a warning for you, hence the title. Should you look to sell now? So we're going to talk about that in this video. What should you be looking to do? Now, firstly, guys, you know what I'm about to say. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you've seen in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all our recent updates, news updates, technical updates, and much, much more. Now, of course, guys, every single year, well, I shouldn't say every single year, but at the start of every single bull cycle, there's always a coin that really explodes in value. I'm talking about the coin that takes you from zero to hero, right? Last year, there was quite a few coins. We had Luna, we have Axie Infinity, we had Solana. You know, we had so many different coins that would have changed your life if you had just held. And Zilliqa could actually be another one of those coins. The current market cap is only $2.4 billion. And guess what, guys? Once this 2018 high is cleared, and obviously we hit the same level at in 2021. Once this area is cleared, then of course we can expect to see the parabolic rally, as I mentioned yesterday. But there's one thing in your mind, and you're probably wondering, okay, should I look to sell now, right? We came within inches of our target area. Are we going to see a reversal at this level? So are we going to see price start to reverse and pull back, right? Or are we going to see a break? Now, what I would personally be doing, right, if I was a holder of this coin, I would put myself in either one of these categories. Number one is the hodler, right? You're someone that plans to hold this coin for quite some time. Your objective is to accumulate along the way. Now, of course, you're going to want to take profits. So maybe, at some point, maybe end of April, May, June, or whatever, you could maybe look to take out your initial investment or ride this off into the sunset. That depends on you, but typically you're going to be a long-term holder of this project, which means, you see yourself holding this for at least the next 5 to 10 years, right? Then, of course, we have the midterm traders, right? These are people that maybe have been holding since 2021. You didn't tend to take profit, but maybe the product didn't play out as well as you thought it would. Obviously, we saw a nice rally at the start of the year. The overall percentage gain would have been, let's just go check, let's just say just over 650%. You were obviously anticipating a larger move, so this ended up, turning into a project that you hodled, but only because it did move back to the downside. So what I would be looking at as a midterm holder is key levels in which I would be happy to take out. So what was your objective? What was your goal? Which level did you anticipate or plan to take profit at? Right? So these are the midterm guys. And obviously we have the short-term traders. So these are people that are looking for opportunities in the market. They're looking for the next big movers. They want to take advantage of that move, take some profit, and then of course move on to the next project, or wait for this to clear obviously this significant resistance area, wait for the retest, and then buy it again, right? These are the people that are in and out of the market. It's a skill that is actually quite important as well. We do teach this as well. Link in the description if you want to learn more about what we do, and join CC Premium to access our other 100x gems that we have on the table. Links in the description, right? So these are more short-term traders. They have a more strategic approach to the market, and some of you are short-term traders, but you just don't know it, right? So what I would personally be doing is, if I'm happy, let's say I got in from the start of this move, let's just look at the percentage gain, and I'm currently up over 372%. Well, if your objectives are met, I personally wouldn't be waiting for price to hit 23 cents again. I'd probably take profit, then I'd wait for price to break this area. Once this area is broken, I'd wait for a retest, and then maybe I'll look for a re-entry, as this would now become a new area of support. And now we have a solid areas where if prices go back underneath this area, then obviously you want to be concerned, right? But the point is, you want to be well planned and well strategically played for this. Or another strategy is, you anticipate the market moving to the upside, right? So remember, when Bitcoin sneezes, the whole market catches a cold. So if Bitcoin's momentum starts to slow down going into April, then of course we're going to see Zilliqa pull back as well. Although so far it doesn't look like Bitcoin's slowing down. It doesn't look like the crypto market is slowing down at all. So it looks like we could actually just see a parabolic move right through this target area. And then, of course, maybe second week of June, we could see a day or two or even 3 days of a pullback or market ranging. And, of course, the bull trend will continue. But the point is here, guys, I've laid out three categories that you need to figure out which box you comfortably fit in. But, again, if you're a midterm holder or you're a long-term holder, personally, I would definitely just be riding this up until at least, past April, May, June, maybe, and then I'll obviously reevaluate this. Now, of course, if key levels are hit before then, like for example, let's say we hit $1 by the end of April, then maybe you do want to reevaluate that and say to yourself, okay, is it time for me to take some profit? Is it time for me to, exit, etc.? This year is going to be about the exit and the people that are strategically placing themselves to make a profit, like we saw in 2021, guys. You can hold this to the moon. You can hold it to the moon, but guess what? If you don't have an exit strategy, your profits will unfortunately be wiped away. So do keep that in mind. If you want to see more Zilliqa videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Vote below, comment below, join the Telegram group, link in my description. And guys, as always, seize the day.